Hi, my name is Sean Pollard. I work at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been family owned and operated for the last 65 years. Today I'm going to show you the brand new 2020 Durango 333RLT. This is a phenomenal 33-foot, 10,700 pound fifth wheel. I'm going to take you around and show you a gourmet kitchen, plenty of storage on the outside, tons of features and benefits, and stick around, you're not going to want to miss the bathroom. That's right, I said the bathroom. I can't wait to show it to you. The Super Slide here on the door side gives you a lot of extra space and is incredibly functional. We did option this particular coach with the table and 4 chairs. This rear section of the table opens up for additional storage, and there's storage under each of the seats. What might you store under the seat, you might ask? Well, most people throw their extra place settings, cards, just things like that. Also, if you look in the slide out here, we do actually feature 4 windows. A lot of companies will not add the windows to the edges of the slide out box, but KZ hasn't cut any corners. We've got 4 windows. These 2 ones in the center open, and they're all trimmed with these beautiful custom-made valances. KZ does make all of their valances in-house, which leads to nicer customization and higher quality control. We do also feature this wonderful Thomas Paine 2-section recliner. This recliner has heat and massage chairs with beautiful LED lights, cup holders, and a little bit of storage here in the middle. One other thing not to miss out on, look at this beautiful backlighting here under this middle section. Just a really nice touch. This rear living model features a huge 3-person wide couch. This is a tri-fold sofa instead of a jackknife, so this does actually flip out into a surprisingly comfortable king-size bed. We do also feature a huge window in the back, so if you're at a national park and you back in and you have that beautiful view out the back here, this Durango is really gonna let that exterior view come right into your camper. We do also feature this really nice storage area up above. We've got 5 glass-covered storage doors. These are fairly deep in size and just a great area where they didn't waste any space and maximize the storage potential. In the entertainment area, this is really cool. We've got 2 more doors up top. We do also have our television. What's neat about this is on a swing arm, so you can actually take this out, turn it towards wherever you want. But if you look, there's nice storage behind the television as well. Again, not wasting any space. It's a perfect spot to put your DVDs, games, anything that you want. We do also have a Furrion radio. This is a Bluetooth compatible RV radio, so it's rated for more extreme temperatures on the high and the low side. Inside and outside speakers, and a 40-inch 5,000 BTU Fireplace. It's got 3 different color modes. You can set it on a timer, you can set it on a thermostat, or just high or low. But either way, it's going to really add a nice level of comfort to your camping experience. This particular model is equipped with a 12 cubic foot Norcold gas electric refrigerator. Residential fridges are an option, so please always call us and check how each camper is optioned, because the one that you buy may have different options in this video. It's always a good idea to double check. Finishing off in the kitchen, look at this hutch. I love this thing. A lot of other manufacturers will do like a half hutch here, and then another little closet on the side. I love the way KZ does this. KZ builds all of their woodwork and cabinetry in-house and allows them to do a lot of really cool things. And this hutch is one example. You've got beautiful lights up top. You've got this wonderful prairie-style grid on front of these cabinets. So you have 2 cabinets in the middle, 2 cabinets on the side, the same solid surface countertop material with underlighting. This is a fantastic spot to set up a coffee bar, to set up a couple of crock pots if you're gonna go for the day and you want dinner ready when you come home. And we wrap it all up with tons of storage underneath. So if you wanna bring all of your pots and pans, all of your plates, all of your dishes, all of your silverware, we've got you covered. Here's that bathroom I told you not to miss. Check it out, we've got a wonderful double vanity sink in a 33-foot camper. That is outstanding. So you've got his and hers, make-ready areas, nice medicine cabinet in the middle. Each sink also comes with its own mirror. We've got storage underneath, 4 drawers. It's a really cool area where you can get ready in the morning, have enough space, and feel quite comfortable. It is equipped with a porcelain toilet, so not the plastic toilet, it's the nicer toilet. There's a window in the bathroom. We've got a single-piece fiberglass shroud shower with a seat in it and a sliding glass door. There's also a vent in here for air conditioner and heater, so it's going to be a climate-controlled room And there's even a huge linen closet for toilet paper, towels, everything that you need. This bathroom is outstanding. Welcome to your master suite. King size bed, we've got it. Second air conditioner, we've got it. Hardwood trim and fascia in your slide outs, we've got that too. One of the nice things about the way that KZ has equipped this bedroom is that typically when you have a king bed, you lose all of your nightstands, right? But what's nice is they actually added a shelf above your padded headboard that's got USB outlets up there too, so your nightstand is actually above your windows, so you get the spaciousness of the king bed and still have a place to put your phone and glasses at night. We do have windows on either side of the bed, and they both open. So if you want cross ventilation on a wonderful fall camping night, we've got you covered there too. Beautiful mirrored barn doors here that go into the closet. Closet does have a motion sensor light too, so you can have that set up to where you open the closet, light turns on, you can get your clothes, close it, light turns off. We do also have washer dryer prep as well. I love this 6-drawer dresser. This is a feature that's going to be on every Durango. You're going to have this really nice 6-drawer dresser. It's a perfect space for your underwear and socks. And when you're getting ready in the morning, they add this little bench right here, which is super nice. It's a great spot to get ready, put your shoes on, and get ready to enjoy the day. We have also equipped this particular model with a bedroom TV as well. So all you got to do is come get it and go camping. We've got you squared away. Let's talk construction. Your Durango is going to be made out of a 5-side aluminum framing. So that means your front, the rear, your 2 sidewalls, and your floor are all going to be made out of a lightweight, durable aluminum. Your roof is going to be composed of angled wood roof trusses. So the middle is going to be taller and it's going to angle down to the side, which gives you a natural crown for water runoff. For comfort, Durango does a really nice job with their insulation packages. Not only do they run batten insulation in the roof, they also add some underneath here in the floor, and then they completely wrap the floor in an astrofoil, and they do a Darko moisture barrier. So you're gonna prevent water infiltration coming into the camper while making it more energy efficient. They do that same reflective astrofoil actually in the floor, the roof, the front, and the back. So you're protected on all 4 sides. Gives it a really nice R value, and it's gonna make it to where you're gonna be a lot more comfortable for year-round camping. We do feature a nicer, higher-end fiberglass. You're not gonna be able to see as much of the fibers as you would on a cheaper fiberglass. We've equipped it with this huge awning with LED lights. Frameless windows are an option. We elect not to go with the frameless windows on this just to help save a little bit of money, but if you want them, we've got them. Durango also does a class-leading 140 cubic foot of pass-through storage here. We've got it lined with a rubber diamond plate, so it's gonna give you nice grip, so anything that you put in here is not gonna slide around. It's a drop frame storage, which means that your frame normally runs straight through. Durango actually takes the frame, drops it down, which gives you this beautiful pass-through storage, and it's nicely finished with wood trim as well. So they do a really nice job. You're gonna be able to put everything that you want down there. They also use the Lippert solid steps. A lot of companies are going to this flip down step system, but the MORryde system is a little bit cheaper. It doesn't give you this really generous over 1 foot wide top step, and it doesn't give you this back plate. So this is gonna be more durable and easier to use, less chance of you falling and having any problems there. Our marker lights are prepped. If you want side view cameras, you can add those. This does also have backup camera prep, and it comes with this really cool true 2-year warranty, which means KZ is gonna cover this camper for a full 2 years tip to tail. A lot of companies right now are doing a 1-3 warranty, where it's got a 1-year warranty on the trailer and a 3-year warranty on structure only, okay? KZ has gone that extra mile, giving you the full 2 years to cover everything on the trailer. Make sure that it does fall under one of the warranty codes, but it is one of the nicer warranties in the industry. And this is also equipped with a hitch on the back where you can tow up to 3,000 pounds with 300-pound tongue weight, and it's got a 4-way wiring there. So if you want to tow a small boat or a golf cart, you're already set up and ready to go. Again, my name is Sean Pollard with Veurink's RV Center up here in Grand Rapids. If you found the information in this video helpful, or if you just liked it, like the video, subscribe to our channel. We do walk-arounds every week that we upload here that you're sure gonna enjoy. If you have any questions about this camper, or please, if you wanna buy it, call me or text me. I would love to work with you. We ship nationwide, so if you don't live in Michigan, we can get it to you. We're really close to the factory. We have some of the lowest shipping cost and freight rates in the nation. So give us a call, and we look forward to doing business with you.